2024. Khumalo, Senzo Meyiwa, still trending. I asked you, I told you, I said, take everyone that was in that house and put them under the jail. What did you guys say? No, let's start with Nandipa, let's start with the Rosemary. Okay, they're already under the jail. They are ready to welcome their new bedroom mate. So let's not waste any time and get into it. Ngiyanamukela kumqubo yami bomtaba kadad, bomtaba kagogo, bomtaba ka-auntie, bomtaba kasisi. I am Simz and it's at the right Simz on Instagram. So please follow your sister. No, you're not in last year. You're not in last of last year. Yes, we are still in January. But today, Kitty 25. But today 25, you people of the 25th, you are so beautiful. Hey? You can send us coffee, tea, make-up. We don't send everything that you want to send us. You can send people of the 25th. We are still on the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial case because it is still ongoing, and every time we think we are hitting something, we are moving, we are going somewhere, we just take 55,000 steps back, or there's a new scabba that shocks us even more. Now, yesterday, court proceedings were taking place, and guess what? It is alleged that Kelly Nonka Nyate Buyabona Sofela Kona Empini Khumalo. It seems like she might have ordered the hit on Senzo Meyiwa. They say this because, according to what was said yesterday, there were five phone records between Ukeli and the alleged hitman. There was a picture of money on Kelly Khumalo's phone that was also found on one of the accused's phone, you know. So it was which things of I'm gonna pay you to do this, you know, because wow, this might be like between the long way, guys. I don't know why, but I still feel like every bone in my body is still pointing to long way Twala, you know. It still points to long way Twala because of everything that had happened on that day, guys. And we've been over and over this story. Like, we've gone through everything. I think we've done the police work better than the police could ever have done their job. But they still want to make it seem like it was a hit. It was this. But now, this hit story, Kelly Khumalo ordered a hit on Senzo because of insurance. You know, it's always the plot to every scorned woman's case, every girl that wants to unalive umuntu wakhe because of money. This is always the fitting point, fitting story. So I think this is what the police want to make it seem like. Like, okay, heard about Senzo's insurance, life claims. But then again, let's not forget, because Ukeli was not in a legal Zoom meeting with Senzo. Senzo was married at the time to his wife, and if it's alleged that Ukeli pew him, because of benefits in, because any benefit that Kelly was going to get was gonna be maybe through her daughter, which they even had the hard time accepting. If Senzo even had a hard time accepting Kelly, so everything was gonna go to Mandisa, right? Senzo's rightful legal Zoom meeting wife. So just go off. It's still off, guys. Every bone in my body, in my mind, it's saying long way Twala, because life has shown long way Twala flames since that fateful day. Like, he's just gone. It just shows what his guilt, his nebeza. Lisilo. His spirit is not sleeping. Senzo's spirit is not sleeping. It's trying to communicate. Why do I sound like I watch Riatote? I watch not Riatote. I watch 157 too much. These Imimoya spirits. No. Long long way. And then, guys, wait, did you see Lamiz and Kuli China were having their child's christening, and then there was a picture of Lamiz and Chico Twala, and guess what? It is alleged that Chico Twala is Lamiz's biological father. Kuri, while I'm still digesting that Lamiz and I are exactly the same age, and then I am still digesting now that Lamiz was born in the blood of a superstar. Bloodline, yeah, Chico. Hi, are you guys shocked as I am, or you guys knew? You just didn't tell me? No, I would love to know. What did you guys know, or you guys didn't want to tell me? Anyway, so okay, guys, let me tell you once again, I need for Kelly, her mom, her sister, Tumelo, the other gents, the hat, the TV they were watching, the phones that were confiscated. I need for somebody to be under the jail until somebody speaks the truth. Because Kelly, you will forever be painted, my sister. You will forever have that dark cloud because none of you want to speak the truth. Kuluman, imagine if Longwe was arrested a long time ago, he would have been serving his prison sentence. And you've seen the law of South Africa. It's very favorable towards them Kulugutus. They're out of the under the jail. Oscar, Bonk, so Longwe would have been out of the under the jail. So Kulumani, yeah, don't forget that on the 25th, on the 25th, because today the 25th, on the 30th of March, in a branch, Mozan, I will see you guys on the next video. In the meantime, tell us in the comment section down below. But long way, Joe, Joe, like hamba, go, bruh, go.
This accused made to them. The accused was further linked with circumstantial evidence wherein he, minutes after the incident, made disclosures and remarks at a family gathering he attended in Phosphorus as to the killing of Senzo, even before the death was reported in the media. He is further linked by means of a formal confession he made to the commissioned independent officer on the 30th of May 2020. In this confession, he clearly implicates Ms. Kelly Khumalo as the person who gave them the instruction to kill Senzo Meyiwa. The suspect further made a formal pointing out the scene collection prior to the incident, the gathering of the outside of the house during the assassination, and the dropping off of the accused at the cell phone tower referred to herein above. The pointing out by this accused identified the exact scene, place, house where the deceased was shot. The accused identified the place, position he held when this offense was committed. In place in terms of his pointing out is accurate and meshes out the crime scene. The pointing out was made to another commissioned officer on the 6th of June 2020. Here, my lord, is the mistake. It should be the 5th of June, because that's when the pointing out was made.
Okay.
The accused was further linked by a witch doctor he attended prior and after the killing of Senzo Meyiwa. The said witch doctor's premises were identified by this accused. After the said doctor was found, the said doctor was taken to our offices for interview. It was during this movement in the office that the witch doctor came across this accused. The said doctor recognized accused in my presence and said he recalled also that he once came with Mapisa from Phosphorus to whom